In order to use Solver, it must be enabled in your instance of Excel. You can check to see by going up to the Data tab, the Data ribbon, and looking over in the Analysis section on the right to see if Solver shows up. It doesn't here, so let's add it. We go back to File, go down to Options, we go to Add-ins. Down at the bottom, make sure you've got Manage Excel Add-ins selected and click Go. And then you get this dialog of the add-ins that are available. Solver is here, but it's not activated, so I'm going to click to add the check mark and click OK. Now if I go to Data and look in my Analysis section, there's Solver ready to go to work.